Hello? The original video was removed by YouTube, so I had to re-upload the video on another website. Please follow the link in the description.
I believe in love, I believe in honesty. Does that sound like something you'd be into? I believe the truth can be reality. Will you roll with that? 'Cause I want you to. I'm stuck in trying to find a way to make it easier to say that there's just one thing